Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person you know who has chosen a career in the medical field. Example, doctor or nurse. You should say who he or she is, what he or she does, why he or she chose this career, and explain how you feel about him or her. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am a sociable person and like to interact with different people, including men, women, and children. And today, I would like to speak about my classmate Pooja, who is a dentist. So, sociable means friendly or someone who enjoys being with different kinds of people. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that after the completion of my senior secondary education, all my friends had chosen diverse fields, and my friend Pooja selected the field of dentistry as she had a strong passion for the medical field since her childhood. So, senior secondary education means after the completion of your 12th examination. Diverse means different, and passion means to have a very strong feeling. Moreover, her parents also were into the same profession, and hence she had developed a strong knowledge and interest about oral health issues as well as treating people affected with dental problems like toothache, gum problems, and tooth discoloration. So, profession means career. So, instead of repeating the word that was already in the question, we have used a different word. So, we have also given a very good explanation for the third question, which is why he or she chose this career. We are saying that her parents were also into the same profession and also she had a strong knowledge about different kind of oral health issues. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, her sheer hard work, strong determination and dedication in the dental field has helped her to achieve great milestones and she is currently listed among the top-notch dental surgeons of her city. So top-notch means famous or popular. Furthermore, she is quite humble, has a great sense of humor, and is passionate about music as it helps to de-stress herself from her hectic schedule. So humble means to be very polite or down to earth. Hectic means busy. So we have answered the first three questions. The last question, which is explain how you feel about him or her, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel on seventh heaven as she always inspires me to achieve more in life as well as motivates me to push myself beyond my limit to attain my goals. So we have used an idiom here which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. So attain means again to achieve. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.